I'm a researcher with the PharmaSafe research group at the University of Oslo, and our research group has a special interest in the area of perinatal pharmacoepidemiology. So we have a well-established reputation in the context of pregnancy studies, both drug utilisation studies, but also safety studies, and studies measuring the early life determinants of health and disease. We've just completed mapping the Norwegian data that we have access to the OMAP common data model. So we've mapped 5 large registries, including the Medical Birth Registry of Norway, which we work extensively with. And this birth registry has a wealth of information on the mother, the father, the pregnancy itself, and then the infant and maternal outcomes. So we have a long-standing reputation of collaborating with European partners, with US partners, and we're really keen to grow and be part of the OMAP, the OHDSI community, now that we have our data transformed to the common data model. We have currently a long-standing relationship with partners in Europe, both in research, in pharma, but also with the regulatory body as well. We're undertaking several COVID-related studies, so looking at the impact of COVID on pregnancy, medication use during pregnancy, and then COVID vaccination. So we are ready to join this community and to conduct some pregnancy studies using our data.
So we at Heliant and University Clinical Center of Serbia initially thought that doing an ETL and getting a clean OMAP CDM instance was the end of it. That's where EHDEN project ended. But we found out soon enough that that's just the beginning. By being invited to participate in OHDSI network studies, we actually found out that there's a lot to be done. OMAP CDM is never finished. You can always do some more mapping. You can always fix some things. You can the harmonization process is constant. And we found out that there's a lot of things that go into a study, and it's a lot of work. And we were really happy to participate in these studies because they relate to many important things, including COVID-19. So we are really happy to have participated in these studies that provide evidence that can be used in real world. So it would be a great opportunity to participate in more studies in the future, since now we're more confident that our data is of good quality, that we have more data by the second, and that we will, I think, with every next study, we will contribute to this greater area of building evidence.
So we finished on applying the OMAP database for 3 hospitals, Galil, Shamir, and Poria. And now we're looking forward for collaboration with industry and academia. We need to improve our platform and service, and we would like to conduct a lot of collaboration studies and bring in new technology to the hospitals. We have a goal of conducting study in 2 to 3 months from initial request, and a supportive team to help with bureaucracy, regulation, and understanding, translating local data to general concepts.
We are very close to having the mapping of our data finished. So actually we are in that position to revise the data we have mapped and extend the mapping to also include our outpatient data into the OMAP common data model. We are very keen about participating in OHDSI network studies afterwards, and also generate own research questions to spread into the community. And another very important step for us is to really promote OHDSI as a community in Germany, to get more and more sites participating and also moving over their data to really be able to generate evidence.